The Jackal and the Drum. Once upon a time, a hungry jackal named Gomaya wandered in search of food. After a long walk, he reached an abandoned battlefield. There, he heard a strange loud sound coming from behind some bushes. Frightened, he thought, "Oh no! This must be a fierce animal. I should run away before it finds me." But then he stopped and decided, it is not wise to run away without knowing the truth. Let me find out what's making that noise. Creeping closer, he discovered an old drum lying under a tree. The wind was blowing the branches against it, creating the strange sound. Relieved, the jackal laughed at his fear, and while searching around, he found plenty of food left by the soldiers. His fear had led him to fortune. Do not fear without knowing the reason.